Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world. I have here a unique invention to me. It looks like a cannon. Pretty cool actually. I was gonna make a log arch and I ended up making a skidder, but it works beautifully. I have been working on this on and off for a week or so. I actually dragged this out of the woods at the cabin last year. This is a Model A axle, and Melanie and I dragged this out of the woods. It's been there as long as I've been on this planet, to my knowledge, and we finally cleared some trees and got around to it and got it out. And I always knew it was a Model A. I don't know why, but it is. I checked it out, and I believe it's around 1929 to 1930 something, so it's about 90 years old. And the wheels still turned freely out in the woods. So I always wanted to salvage this when I finally got it out. That is a Model A, correct me if I'm wrong, but that's a Model A front axle with the steering still on it, and a Model A yoke. I'm not exactly sure where that yoke attaches, but there it is. And that's all original. And then they took the front end, the steering rod, and just bolted it on to the yoke to make it stable, and then they added a piece of seat channel. That's all original out of the woods. And then the experimental part is I sawed up some wood on the mill, heavy. I wanted some heavy, thick oak, and I took some wood that I had sawed last year and used an original hole that was in there, original bolt hole that was here. I didn't modify this because I'm actually going to restore this just because for the coolness factor of it. I'm going to paint and restore and clean this up. And then I took and bolted a 4x4, an oak 4x4, and made this frame, A-frame, to distribute the weight. And I didn't make videos because I just didn't know if it was going to work. I had no idea what was going to happen. And it's working. I'm skidding logs. So I'll show you how this works. And now that it is working, the only thing I did is took off the original hitch and I put on a new one. And because the new one wouldn't fit the seat channel and I didn't want to modify anything, I put a piece of metal on there and bolted it all together. I did this in the cold. I'm not pleased with it. It turned out crooked, but nobody's going to know but me and, well, now you and everybody else that sees this. But anyway, there's still paint on that. I mean, how mind-blowing this stuff, that it lasts. The good old American steel lasts. Not even pitted. So, I'm going to show you, I'm going to skid a log on over to the mill, and I'll show you how well it works for me, and how it works. say, yeah, but that's not much of a log. That wasn't hard. No, this one wasn't bad at all. But this one was. This is wet and heavy, and it was hard hauling. I actually spun out a bit pulling that big one. This is maple, and it is wet and heavy. And I'm getting it. So I'm skidding logs to the mill finally. Easier than I ever had before. It's working. Well, that's about all I can fit in front of the mill right now. I don't have to jam up my workspace here. So I thought I was going to mill it today, but it's getting late. I'll have to do that tomorrow. So there's my very cool, one-of-a-kind Model A log skidder. I like it. That is really cool. It works. Now I'll get tires for it. I'll probably just buy some junk used tires somewhere at a car shop and put some tubes in it and call it good. This isn't ever going down the highway or doing anything but skidding logs in the yard. That's all it's meant for. That's all it's going to do. Very short video. Please like this video, guys. And subscribe if you haven't, because you never know what is going to happen here at the homestead. I'll talk to you all later.